What is your first reaction when you heard na?
Nagulat ako. I felt so sad. I felt so sad kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, si Tita Pilita was one of the very first icons na sumuporta sa akin. Sila ni Kuya Germs.
Okay.
Sila talaga ni Kuya Germs. I would remember seeing them always sa Green Hills, hanging out. Nakikita ko, hindi pa nila ako kilala noon. Seeing icons na nag-hangout lang doon sila, Kuya Germs and Tita Pilita. And then I got to meet them. I got to perform with sa Master Showman. And then si Tita Pilita naman nag-guest sa mga concerts ko. And sa mga concerts niya rin nag-guest ako. When I was still starting, people didn't know who Jed Modela was. So, sobrang laki ng utang na loob ko kay Tita Pilita kasi isa siya sa mga naniwala sa akin.
Okay.
Kahit wala pa akong pangalan doon, she would, include me sa kanyang mga shows.
What are your fondest memories? What are your fondest memories about Tita Pilita?
Fondest memories, ang hindi ko makakalimutan kay Tita Pilita, she would always have something very nice to say. As in, wala ka talagang marinig sa kanya na kanegahan. And she was such a gracious lady. Sobrang class. Yung breathing niya ibang-iba. But at the same time, she was very funny. She was very funny. Yun ang hindi ko makakalimutan sa kanya.
May mga payo ba siyang binibigay sa'yo na alala?
Ayun, the only thing I could remember is wag ko daw kalimutan kung saan ako nanggaling.
Okay.
And to pay it forward. Which is what she was doing when the first time she met me. Pilita Corrales na siya noon eh. I mean, she's an icon. She will always be an icon. And for her to invite somebody na hindi kilala, yun yung sinabi niya sa akin na parang pay it forward. Also be an instrument na makatulong sa ibang mga artists na baguhan.
Ano yung mga songs niya na gusto mo?
O syempre yung kanyang yung minimimik ko siya lagi yung with the song A Million Thanks.
Yeah, A Million Thanks to you. Yeah. Gaano kalaking kawalan sa industry ito? Yung pagkawala ni Tita Pilita?
Well, I think it's going to leave a big hole in the industry kasi walang katulad Miss Pilita Corrales. Nobody can even come close to what she has achieved, what she has contributed sa industriya. At saka, ang dami niyang natulungan na artist na, people know and people don't know. So, I think there's going to be a very big void in the industry sa pagkawala ni Mamita.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Jet picture lang. Okay.